Hey guys, I'm Avinash here and welcome to OnLive Server. So today we will be discussing one of the most basic yet important service of AWS, and that is Amazon CloudWatch. So here I will be discussing with you some theoretical part. Along with that I will show you the practical of Amazon CloudWatch, how to set this service on your EC2 or any other services whichever you are using on your cloud. So before moving further, let us see this presentation. So here you can see that the basic definition of Amazon CloudWatch is that it monitors your Amazon Web Services resources and the applications that you run on AWS in real time. Here one key point to be understood is that the Amazon CloudWatch is to monitor the Amazon services and not the user's service. And this homepage of CloudWatch automatically displays metrics about every AWS service you use, along with custom dashboards to display metrics about your custom applications. Basically there are two types of monitoring which AWS provides. One is basic monitoring and other one is detailed monitoring. So here you can see in basic monitoring it provides the monitoring of data every 5 minutes, and it is also free of cost. Data, it is data related to whether it is related to EC2 or EBS or any other service. Whereas in case of detailed monitoring, it also provides the monitoring of a data in a much detailed manner in every minute. The difference is in basic monitoring you get data after every 5 minutes, in detailed monitoring you get data after every 1 minute, but it is chargeable by Amazon and it has very high charges. Now, CloudWatch service can be used on following AWS services. What are these basic services which are mostly used? That is Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon EBS volumes, Elastic Load Balancers, auto scaling groups, Amazon RDS database instances in real time. Now, estimated AWS charges. What are the charges? In AWS, this CloudWatch, the most important part is the billing section, which most of us sometimes it get neglected. So in the case of enabling the in the case of billing, with the help of CloudWatch you can enable the billing alerts, you can create a billing alarm, you can also check the alarm status of the through that CloudWatch, you can edit a billing alarm and you can delete a billing alarm so that your company or your service is not overpaid, or it is not, the service doesn't get terminated due to non-billing, due to the issue of non-billing. Now the format of data in CloudWatch. Generally in CloudWatch, the monitoring which you are doing through this service, you get data in various forms. One form is up to minute statistics, view graphs. You can view the graphs of all the services through this CloudWatch. You can set alarms for your metric data. You can also use the auto scaling to add or remove resources based on CloudWatch metrics. You can just simply watch the metrics of CloudWatch and you can just regulate your auto scaling part. Now the basic of all this cloud service is summarized here, that it is just a basic service to watch your activities and help in taking particular decisions. There are three status in CloudWatch. One is okay, that is if your CPU load is less than 70%, then everything is okay. Insufficient means when CloudWatch get no information about your instance in off state. Okay, when it is not getting any information about the instance, then it shows the insufficient data. And what is alert? It shows the alert if your CPU load is more than 70%. That is, if CPU threshold goes to more than 70%, then the mail is generated for alert state. Now how this service is performed, I will show you one practical here through my AWS account. Okay, now here you can see my AWS management console. Now here you can just click on services, you can go to management and governance, because CloudWatch is also a part of management. So just click on CloudWatch. Okay, now here you can see this is the normal dashboard of CloudWatch. Here you can see the time range. Okay, now friends, before moving further, I would like to go one step back and come to this EC2 service. Here I want to show you one basic thing. In my presentation I discussed about the basic monitoring part. Here basic monitoring, that is the monitoring of data in every 5 minutes, and it is free of cost. So where you will get this monitoring, this you will find here. Just go to EC2 click on running instance. Okay, now here in the description, see my instance is running. Okay, now in the description you can see the status checks and you can see the monitoring. Okay, yes, here, so you can just raise this bar. See, this is the data which is generated in every 5 minutes. From here you can see of last 3 6 hours, 2 weeks, every week data. And here see what all you can see here. It is CPU utilization. Here you can see network in, network out, network packets, disk write operations, when the status fails, checked, CPU credit balance, CPU credit uses. It means this is the basic detailing information which you will get free of cost. If you want more detailed information, then you can just click here. You can see the how the CPU utilization is fluctuating with time. You can set here the last 3 hours. Okay, you can set here in last 3 days. Okay, you can see of last 2 weeks. Okay, so this was the date when I created my instance. So from here you can see the data and you can take it as you can use it as per your need. See here now CloudWatch alarms is like no alarms is configured, because I have till now I have not created any alarm. In CloudWatch you can enable the detailed monitoring. Okay, now see here AWS is already giving you one message that enabling detailed monitoring, for instance, to get these 3 metrics at 1 minute frequency. Are you sure you want to enable detailed monitoring for the following instances? If you enable, then be prepared that this service is chargeable. Okay, now just let us move to our CloudWatch service. Okay, so see this is the basic dashboard of CloudWatch. Here you can see the time range which you can set from here, either 1 hour, 3 hour, 12 hour, whatever time you want to have. Let us as of now keep it to 3 hour. Now how you will create, see here is an alarm, alarm insufficient. Okay, now it is unselected because I had not set any alarm till now. See, so you just click on alarms. Okay, and wait. See, no alarm is configured. Okay, you can then just go to dashboard and create a dashboard. Okay, and you can write it as my alarm, and you can just create a dashboard of CloudWatch. See, now it is asking you that select a type to configure and add to this dashboard. What you want to configure? You want your data in a line, in stacked, in numbers. So suppose I'm clicking at line and I want to configure it. Okay, see, now it is showing that your CloudWatch graph is empty. Select some metrics to appear here. Okay, now here you can suppose I want a detailed monitoring of my EC2 instance, then just click on this EC2 pre-metric index. Now see, here is the metric name and what reading you want. What reading you want, you can just select it from here. Suppose suppose I am taking a status check field. Okay, then I should just select this. If I want network CPU utilization, I will just select this. Okay, and I will create a widget. Okay, see, now my widget is created. Now this is the detailed now this is my detailed graph. Okay, my alarms, if I will go to my dashboard, see, my alarm is set. If I'm clicking on this, so I had set alarm for my CPU utilization. Okay, now click on alarms. Here is no alarm. Now you have to create this alarm. First you have to create the dashboard, then create the alarms. Go to create alarm. Okay, then go to select metric and suppose EC2 pre-metric index. Suppose I want to have this status check failed and CPU utilization. Just click here. Okay, select a single metric, then I am clicking CPU utilization. I am selecting the metric. Okay, now here you can fill all your details, whatever you want. You can then click next. Okay, define the, okay, here you have to define the threshold limit. Okay, on what threshold you want to have the alarm. Suppose I'm taking it just 20. Okay, then click next. Now here you have to just fill all your informations in alarm, sufficient data, or auto scaling action, EC2 action and all. Okay, here you can select, you can enter the mail. You can just click next. Here now, right now I'm cancelling. You can click create next, and further you can create the alarms. Okay, now this is the billing section. Okay, it is of no use in the events. Okay, and now this is the CloudWatch. Okay, So this is all the graphs you're getting. So friends, this was the just a basic detailed video of about how you can set the CloudWatch services through your dashboard. And later on in the second part, when I will discuss how to connect the EC2 instance, through your Linux command, then at that time I will show you how this CloudWatch functions. Okay, so just stay with us, and if you have any queries, any questions, then just comment down below. Thank you, and just like and share this video. Thank you friends, bye.